In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can set up a live chat option on Shopify using the Shopify Inbox app. This is the best live chat app on Shopify right now, and it's totally free to use. And I will show you how you can set up this app on your store. Let's get started. First and foremost, we need to install the Shopify Inbox app on our store. To do that, you can simply click on the first link which is given in the video description, which will directly take you to this page. You can install the app from here, and you can also check the demo store to preview this app's features and functionalities. Next, I will click on this install button to install this app. Once it's done, you'll see a page like this. Now, we need to set up this app on our Shopify store. To do that, click on this Setup Chat button. This will take us to the Shopify theme editor. Here, on the left-hand side, we need to make sure that this option is enabled. This will enable the live chat option on the bottom right of this page. Next, you'll see some customization options here, which will help you change the look and feel of this store. For example, I can change the background color from here, and then I will also change the button color to blue. And now you can see that the chat option has turned red. And if you click on it, you'll see the buttons in blue color. You can also change the chat icon from here. For now, I will use the hand wave icon. Next, we can also change the label. So, I will select a different label. We can also change the position of this chat option using these options. And last but not least, we have the greetings message here. You can add your own greetings here. And when a customer will open the chat box, they'll see this greeting message. And then make sure to save all the changes by hitting this save button. Alright, now I will close this tab and come back to the store dashboard. I will refresh this page to check if everything is updated successfully. Here, you can see that the app is active now. You can also click here to get the Shopify Inbox mobile app, which will allow you to manage the customers directly from your mobile phone. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see these chat settings. Here's where you can create some instant answers to your customers' most common questions. It's basically the same as adding an FAQ section. The only difference is that it is available in the chat box. Here, you can see some suggestions from Shopify. When you click on it, you'll see that Shopify has used their magic AI to create these instant questions and answers. You can change or edit these in info, and then on the right sidebar, you can preview how your customers are going to see these questions and answers. Make sure to save your changes by hitting this Save button at the top, and then also make sure to turn on this option so that the question will be added in the chat box. I will also add this question regarding the return policy. It seems like Shopify has gathered these information from our store policy pages, which is really amazing in my experience. Okay, I will save this question as well, and you can see that this question is also added in the chat box. You can also create more instant questions and answers from here, and then follow the steps that I showed you earlier. Once it's done, you can also rearrange these questions as per your preferences. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see this pre-chat form. If you enable this option, you'll be able to gather your customers' data, such as their name and email, even before making a conversation with them. Next,